Welcome back to Easy English Conversation. Today we are talking about leaving a voicemail message. Listen slowly, repeat the useful phrases, and build your English step by step.
Picture this. Your washing machine is leaking, you call the repair shop and nobody answers. Then comes the beep.
That beep can make smart people panic. You have 3 seconds, and suddenly your name feels difficult.
Why does voicemail feel harder than talking to a person?
Because there is no face, no nodding, no help. You must be clear, short, and complete.
So today we are not leaving any voicemail. We are leaving one specific message.
Yes. One real-life scenario. You call a repair shop about a leaking washing machine, but they do not answer.
That is useful. I never know what to say after the beep.
Here is the target message. Please listen first, then we will break it down. Hi, this is Maya Chen. I am calling about my washing machine. Please call me back at 555-0184. Thank you.
That sounds almost too simple. Is that really enough?
For many voicemails, yes. A good voicemail is not a speech. It is a small map.
A small map. What are the points on the map?
First, your greeting. Second, your name. Third, your reason. Fourth, your phone number. Fifth, a polite close.
Can you show the exact pattern?
Use this pattern. Hi, this is name. I am calling about reason. Please call me back at number. Thank you.
Why say, this is Maya, and not, I am Maya?
Great question. On the phone, this is Maya sounds natural. It means the speaker is Maya.
So, this is not only for pointing at something?
Correct. On calls and voicemails, this is plus name is very common.
What about, I am calling about my washing machine? Is about the best word?
Yes. About gives the main topic quickly. It is simple and useful for appointments, bills, deliveries, or repairs.
Could I say, I call for washing machine?
That is understandable, but not natural. Say, I am calling about my washing machine.
The verb form matters too, right? Not I call, but I am calling.
Exactly. I am calling describes what you are doing now. It sounds natural in the message.
And the phone number part sounds very important.
It is the rescue rope. If the number is unclear, they cannot call you back.
Should I say the number fast, like native speakers often do?
No. In voicemail, slower is better. Say the number in small groups.
Can we hear the number slowly?
Please call me back at 555-0184. Say it like this. 555-0184.
Would you repeat the number at the end?
If the message is important, yes. You can say, again, that is 555-0184.
But our target message has only one number. Are we keeping it short today?
Yes. We are learning the clean basic version first. Short and clear beats long and nervous.
Let us hear a vivid example. Make it feel real.
Imagine Monday morning. Your socks are wet because water is creeping across the kitchen floor.
The repair shop has a tiny voicemail voice, and the beep sounds like a test.
You breathe once. You do not explain the whole flood. You leave the small map.
Okay, give me the short target dialogue around that scene.
Here's the repair shop voice. Sorry, we cannot take your call. Please leave a message after the beep.
And now the caller speaks?
Hi, this is Maya Chen. I am calling about my washing machine. Please call me back at 555-0184. Thank you.
That is calm. But what if the leak feels urgent?
You can add one short detail. It is leaking onto the floor. Then give your number.
So not a full story about when I bought it?
Please do not. Voicemail is not the place for every detail. Give enough reason for a callback.
What is the common learner mistake today?
The mistake is leaving out the return number or saying it too fast.
I have done that. I think they have my number on the phone.
Sometimes they do. Sometimes they do not. And sometimes the screen shows unknown caller.
So the voicemail must stand alone.
Yes. Your message should work even if the person sees only the recording.
Can you compare a weak message and a better message?
Weak message. Hello, it is me. My machine has a problem. Call me. Bye.
That feels friendly, but useless. Who is me? Which machine? What number?
Better message. Hi, this is Maya Chen. I am calling about my washing machine. Please call me back at 555-0184. Thank you.
The better one has all four pieces: name, topic, action number.
And a polite close. Thank you is simple, professional, and safe.
What about saying, please reply me?
For a phone message, say, please call me back. Do not say, please reply me.
Why not reply me? I hear reply in messages.
Reply is common for emails and texts. For a voicemail, call me back is the natural action.
Can learners use could instead of please?
Yes. Could you call me back at 555-0184? That is polite and natural too.
Which one should we practice today?
Practice the direct one. Please call me back at number. It is easy under pressure.
Now I want the meaning in very plain English.
Hi means friendly opening. This is Maya Chen means my name is Maya Chen on this call.
I am calling about my washing machine means this is the reason.
Please call me back means I want you to phone me later.
At 555-0184 gives the exact place to reach me, like an address for the phone.
Beautiful. And thank you ends the message politely, without adding extra noise.
Can we practice now? But slowly because voicemail makes people rush.
Yes. Listener, get ready to repeat. Speak like you are leaving a calm note with your voice.
I like that. A calm note with your voice.
First phrase. Hi, this is Maya Chen.
Repeat it. Hi, this is Maya Chen.
Good. Now change the name to your name. Hi, this is your name.
Do not rush your name. Give the listener a clean first word.
Second phrase. I am calling about my washing machine.
Repeat it. I am calling about my washing machine.
Now try a different reason. I am calling about my appointment.
Or I am calling about my order. Same pattern, different topic.
But remember our main scenario today. A repair shop and a washing machine.
That keeps the language connected to one real moment.
Third phrase. Please call me back at 555-0184.
Repeat it slowly. Please call me back at 555-0184.
Now say the number in groups. 555-0184.
Leave a tiny space between groups. That space helps the listener write.
Fourth phrase. Thank you.
Repeat it. Thank you. Then stop. Do not add nervous extra sentences.
Now let us build the full voicemail together.
Listener, imagine the beep just happened. You are ready.
Hi, this is Maya Chen.
I am calling about my washing machine.
Please call me back at 555-0184.
Thank you.
Now your turn. Use your real name and use a pretend number.
Should they use their real number if they practice in public?
No. For practice, use a pretend number. Privacy matters, even when learning English.
Good point. What is the small speaking task?
Today, record a 15-second voicemail practice on your phone. Do not send it.
What should the practice message include?
Your name, the washing machine reason, a pretend phone number, and thank you.
Then listen once. Check if your name and number are clear.
Here is the memory takeaway. After the beep, follow the map.
Name, reason, number, thanks. 4 stones across the river.
Exactly. If your mind goes blank, step on those 4 stones.
One final model, please. Slow and calm.
Hi, this is Maya Chen. I am calling about my washing machine. Please call me back at 555-0184. Thank you.
That is the whole skill. Not perfect English, just useful English.
Your memorable close is this. A good voicemail is a clear little bridge back to you.